You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi was the preeminent leader of the Indian independence movement in British-ruled India. Employing nonviolent civil disobedience, Gandhi led India to independence and inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. This is the list of 10 of his most popular quotes. 9. An eye for eye only ends up making the whole world blind. 8. A man is but the product of his thoughts, what he thinks, he becomes. 7. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. 6. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. 5. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. 4. Peace is its own reward. 3. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. 2. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. And 1. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. Did you like this list? Don't forget to comment, like, share or subscribe. Check our channel page to browse through our content. Thanks for watching.